Two-factor authentication to your FA adds an extra layer of security to your Uber account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy option. Tap on it to find security-related features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to enter your phone number if it's not already linked to your account. Step 5. Verify your phone number. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the app to complete the setup process for two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Uber account with two-factor authentication. Stay safe and enjoy your rides.